everyone! Welcome back to English Explained, the place where learning English feels simple, fun, and actually useful in real life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today's topic is something we hear all the time from learners, especially from our viewers in the US. You know, I understand English perfectly when I listen, but when it's my turn to speak, I just freeze.
Yep, maybe you work with Americans, or you live in the US, or you watch English shows, or you chat with English speakers online, and you understand everything. But speaking, that's where the fear kicks in.
So if that sounds like you, take a deep breath. You're not alone. It happens to millions of learners. And today, we're giving you 10 powerful tips that will finally unlock your English speaking voice.
These tips are practical, real, and they work. Whether you live in the US, study in the US, or simply want to sound more confident with American English.
All right, let's jump in.
Before we start fixing the problem, let's understand it. Speaking is not just knowing vocabulary, it's a performance skill.
Exactly. Think about it like this. You can watch basketball every day, but that doesn't mean you can dribble like a pro your first time on the court.
You understand English because your brain is used to receiving the language, but speaking requires your brain to produce the language instantly while choosing words, forming sentences, and controlling your emotions.
Good news? Speaking is a trainable skill, and today's tips will help you train it the right way.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating every word at the same time.
And here's the cool part. It trains your mouth to move like an American speaker. Your rhythm, your speed, your pronunciation, everything improves.
Choose something short. A 30-second TikTok, a clip from Netflix, part of a YouTube video, a podcast snippet. Just repeat it exactly like you hear it.
Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is fluency, not perfection.
You know how people say practice makes perfect? Well, practice also makes you sound American.
For real, just talk out loud every day for 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my emails. I'm getting ready for work.
It's like warming up your voice for the real conversation.
This one is huge. Many learners think in their native language first, then try to translate to English. And that slows everything down.
Americans speak fast. Conversations move quickly. If you're translating in your head, you'll fall behind.
So start switching your thoughts to English. For example, instead of thinking, "Main grocery store ja raha hu," then translating, just think in English. I'm going to the store.
Think small. Think simple. Think in English.
Native English speakers don't speak in single words. They speak in ready-made chunks.
So instead of learning busy, learn I've been really busy lately. Or instead of help, learn can you help me with this real quick?
These chunks sound natural in the US and help your speaking flow like a native.
I know. Nobody likes hearing their own voice, but trust me, this works.
Recording helps you hear mistakes you didn't notice. And when you compare your voice after 2 weeks, 4 weeks, or 2 months, you'll hear real improvement. It's not just speaking practice. It's confidence practice.
Hashtag, here's a trick Americans use in conversations. Respond quickly, even if your answer is simple. When someone asks, "How's your day going?" Don't try to build the perfect sentence. Just say, "Good, how about you?"
Answer within 3 seconds. Speed greater than perfection.
After you break the freeze moment, you can add more details.
If you live in the US, join community centers, church groups, English clubs, meetups. Meetup.com is huge here. Volunteer events.
If you don't live in the US, join WhatsApp speaking groups, Zoom practice circles, Reddit speaking communities, and language exchange apps.
Remember, you don't need native speakers. You need practice.
Americans use these all the time to think during conversations. Let me see. That's a good question. Well, I guess Let me think for a second.
These expressions buy you time and make you sound fluent, even when you're not ready.
Turn your everyday life into an English environment. Switch your phone to English, follow English creators, watch American YouTubers, change Netflix to English audio plus subtitles, and read short English posts.
And if you live in the US, use English at grocery stores, fast food places, the bank, the DMV, anywhere you meet people.
The more you expose your brain to English, the faster speaking becomes automatic.
Here's the honest truth. American people don't care if your English isn't perfect.
Yes, Americans care more about your confidence and your effort.
So speak imperfect English on purpose sometimes. It removes fear.
Remember, kids learn languages by making thousands of mistakes. You can too.
Let's practice together. Imagine someone in the US asks you, "So what do you do?" Here's the easy 3-step answer. Short answer, I work in customer service. Detail, I help clients over the phone. Feeling, I actually enjoy it.
Boom. Simple, natural, American.
If you're living in the US right now, remember, you're brave. You're learning a new language in a fast environment. And every time you speak, even 5 seconds, you grow.
You're not behind. You're not slow. You're not bad at English. You're learning. You're improving, and you're doing great.
Your English voice is inside you. Today's tips are the key.
Vocabulary recap. American expressions.
Can you help me real quick? Let me think.
I've been really busy lately.
How's your day going?
It was pretty good.
I'm heading to the store.
Thanks for watching today's episode. If this helps you, hit that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Explained for more videos to boost your American English.
Tell us in the comments. Which tip are you going to try today?
Until next time, keep practicing, keep growing, and keep speaking.
Your English voice matters. Use it proudly. Bye, everyone.
See you in the next video.